So here we are at the Sun Store solar panel store, and we've come to get our solar panel fitted. So where would you position a solar panel on the rooftop?
Never position a panel in the first metre of the roof.
Yeah.
Because that part you get a lot of turbulence and you will get a lot of lift disturbance on the panel. Maybe whistle if you're unlucky, but a lot of lift. So you need to make sure that you position it a metre backwards.
Okay.
Got to get them the right way around. Make sure that we know which is positive and negative and which one's connecting to what.
So they're marked, are they? They're marked on the cable?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the plus cable, which in this case we're classing as brown, we need to put the opposite of that on. And the right pin on the inside.
And the plug's different? The actual...
Yes.
Is that so you never put the positive in the negative, and is that why they make them?
Indeed. But everybody's famous one is because on these plugs somewhere there is a little positive mark. So they will put the positive plug on the positive wire, and of course...
Ah.
But this is effectively building an extension lead. So you'll have to treat it as backwards. As a plug and socket. And then make sure they all push in right. Otherwise it falls back out or doesn't make connection. There we go. See, that's too loose.
You did that wrong on purpose just for the video, didn't you?
Take two. I usually go with a nice click. There we are. So if that doesn't happen, you push the plugs together and then you won't have a connection. So there we are. Done.
Perfect.
So most solar controllers, you'll have a selection of screw terminals on them.
Yep.
This one, we've got a positive and negative mark with BAT, which is obviously your 12 volt or 24 volt battery. PV, which is effectively your solar panel or panels. And then again, minus and plus on there. And a load output, so you could put a cigarette lighter on there, a light, something like that. You can turn that on and off remotely with these Bluetooth ones, which is good. So once we've terminated our cables, obviously we're going red as positive and black as negative. We can effectively slot them in the screw holes and then tighten them up, make sure we've got a good contact. So that'll be our battery terminals going off towards our battery. And then the solar cable from the roof, we've got brown and blue. We wire these like we do a household plug. So brown being your live or your positive, and your blue being your negative. So again, after we put the terminals on them, you can just put them in here as stripped back cables, but of course, makes it a bit neater, a bit more safer if you've got terminals on the end. We can pop them in.
Oh, so
Give them a little tug.
blue left, brown white. Right. If you really want to remember it easy.
You can think of it that way, yeah.
And I think this is the bit everyone worries about. Did you go and just measure and then you kind of know that's roughly...
Yes. Where I want to be, hopefully, I won't appear in your toilet.
But you could use sandpaper if you were doing it at home.
Yeah.
And there you go. Easy to install, any idiot can do it. So all you need to do now is just download the app, the Victron Connect, from your phone store. Download it on your phone, connect to Bluetooth, and then you can see all that beautiful free power coming from the sun. Kit comes with everything you need. All the details are in the comments below. If you do have any questions, by all means ask me, but also the guys at the sunstore.co.uk are more than happy to help you. They're a great bunch of guys, and see you on the next video.